Hi, it's Rich from the Motorcycle Garage. Just doing a little bit of maintenance at the moment. Just replaced the regulator rectifier. Unfortunately, on the Ducati 944 ST2, basically it went wrong again. It was overcharging, then undercharging, so I just got another one. I've actually just replaced it, but all it is plug and play. But of course, there's a lot of work prior to that to get all the bits, fairings, etc. off the Ducati. And also I'm putting some new fixing plugs in, which I'll show you. So anyway, it's a one I just put in. This is the old one, an R. Basically, it's an R50, and it's quite specific to the 1998 Ducati because they changed them a little bit after 2000. It's got a heatsink plate on the back. I'll show you. So, oh, there's some light. Got any light? I don't know if you can see there. So, there it is, and it sits there. See the top of it, and the wires going out of it. Sits underneath, as you can see. Sits underneath the headlight, which means I've got to get basically this side off anyway, but it means lifting off the, believe it or not, the headlamp and the fairing at the front there as well. I'm also charging her at the moment on the inverter, which is useful. Yes, so the other thing I'm doing at the moment is putting these plugs in, these fastenings as it were, because some of them they get old, like that one just there, that's fatted out sort of thing there, and I'm going to replace that one. Basically put a new one in, put a new one in there. There's the new one. They just plug in, push these out, push these old ones out, which I can't do with one hand. Can't do anything with one hand, unfortunately, with this maintenance. But anyway, just show you. And that goes in. That replaces that one there. Yeah, so there's the old girl. As you know, I've just done the swing arm at the back, and really lovely suspension now. Really just really nice feeling. Very soft, and fully adjustable. You can feel all the adjustments now. So yeah, that's gone really well. I put back the original lead acid battery. It was a AGM technology. That's the absorbent glass, so it doesn't appear to have any liquid in there, but it's all absorbed in this matte. It's a good old battery, that, and it does look a mess, but actually it's bang up and good for electronics and working well, because I tested it with the new rectifier regulator on. So yeah, and there's these bits here which I've just got to pop back, as you can see, and it's the right rigmarole, literally just to get at that. And your battery, it takes ages to get to your battery. I did put a battery in the back, but that didn't work very well, because I could only put a lithium-ion battery in there, and it didn't like it much. They do say that these particular rectifiers don't like the lithium-ion batteries, but I don't know about that. It may be something else, but yeah, they do seem to say that. So there we go. I better crack on, and I'll catch you up again. As you can see, there's just me bits. Oh, the Aprilia in the dark here. Yeah, I've got back the Aquapovic exhausts, put them back on again for the summer, which is nice. Otherwise, she's right up to date, bang on up to date now. Everything, every nut and bolt and bit is up to date, maintained, and ready for the summer. So hopefully we'll get a bit of riding soon. Been out once, so yeah, she's good to go really. And there's the other bits of the Ducati. Anyway, good to catch up, and I'll speak again. Okay, bye.